بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. من يهدي الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Now, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honestly, I am super excited. I'm very, very excited to have each and every one of us here. And then I welcome you all to this great citadel of learning. At least we all gather here to benefit from the word of Allah. So something that can actually open people's eyes to always take Quran serious. They always read Quran daily. So we want to learn how to create a video to actually always remind people every time regarding verses of the Holy Quran. So we gather here to benefit from the word of Allah, and I really do hope that we'll always be among those people that Allah actually said He will be making mention of them to those people that are close to Him. In the hadith of Abu Hurairah, whereby he reported that the message of Allah actually said, any group of people, if there is a group of people that actually gather or they assemble themselves in one of the houses of Allah and to recite the book of Allah, this Quran or any other thing that will actually let us benefit from the word of Allah, then they are learning it and then they are teaching each other. So tranquility, the first thing will actually be that tranquility will descend upon them, and then mercy of Allah will engulf them. Also, the angels, they will surround them, and Allah will actually mention them to people in His proximity. So this is a great blessing for each and every one of us, and may Allah make this class make it actually easy. But then before we start, before I proceed, I'm using this video just like introduction. You see, I started this class some couple of weeks ago. So in the first class, actually 71 people actually joined the group. They show interest. I mean, 71 people show interest. But then out of those 71 people, what I noticed is that most people will just show interest and then they will join the group. But not everybody will actually implement, not everybody will practice, not everybody will actually see it as something serious for the fact that it is free. It is free. So I'm not pained because I know that that's how people used to do. But then those people that will actually take it serious will see the result too. At least they will have impact too, which is my own goal here for doing this thing. It's not about, that's why I don't charge anything from anybody. So they will actually spread those things, and then anytime they do, I will always have reward too. Then in the second class, I think I have 104, something above 100. Those people that joined the group, they are above 100. And then also I also see that those people that actually participated very well in the class, I don't think they are up to like 5. So at least we are improving. So now we are now in the third edition, whereby 800 people are able to find their way to this group. And I believe so from this 800 too, I know some people who actually participated well too, but I'm not expecting more than 10 that will show seriousness, because I'm sure out of every 100 is only one people that will show seriousness. So, and what I would just advise is that you should be among those people that will take this class serious, and then will actually learn a lot from it. You might think you don't need it now, but then it will be very useful when the time comes, and then you will be very grateful that you take this class serious. So this class is going to be divided into I think 5 videos, which this one is the first one, whereby I use it for the introduction. Now the first video, which will be the proper video for the class, will be the video one, and then in that video I'll be introducing all those things that we need, the app that we need to actually get the class done. So I will talk about InShot app, and then in the InShot app I will show you how to add stickers to your video, how to add text to your video, how to add voiceover to your video. And then when we are done with that video one, then we'll move to video two, whereby I will be walking you through the InShot interface. I will let you know every damn thing in that InShot, how to make use of them, what they are all about. So we'll discuss the canvas, the sticker, how to select the canvas, the type depending on the platform that you want to use, and then also I will discuss how to write the text, how to change the text color, the font, the size, and how to add a lot of things to it in terms of probably the border, the shadow, the glow, and label. So when we are done with the video 2, then we will move to video 3. So in video 3, I will actually explain to you the proper way I do edit my video. So that is where this thing is coming from, where the sweet part rather. So that is the sweet part. So you have to pay attention in that video 3, because I'm going to show you proper way I edit my video. The same type of video that I'm doing, you will see the way I do it. So that is and then the last video, which will be video 4. So with that video 4, if you're able to watch that video 4, then you should be able to come up with a good video. You should be able to come up with a good video. So the final video, in that final video, I will show you how I edit it in total from beginning to the end my video. So once you're able to watch that video 4, then you should be able to come up the same exact video like my own. You're able to come up with that exact video like my own. So once you are done with this video 4, then I will now do another video again, which will be the video 5, where I will now start from the beginning. I'll start from the beginning, then I will edit my video. I will start from the beginning, I will edit my video, and then you will see the same way I will implement everything that we've been discussing from video 1 up to video 4. So that is that. And then one thing that I want you to know is that once you're able to watch those videos from the beginning to the end, then the next thing you will now go and do is that you will now implement, you practice, and then you'll come up with your own video. Once you come up with your own video, then you send the video to me, then I show that okay, this person actually got the video right, then you are entitled to certificate. This is just a certificate for prior for what those people that join us, the participate in the this thing. So it's just a certificate of participation, which I think is a good thing for someone to learn something and then you get it. That shows seriousness, and then you deserve some accolades. So I'm going to give you certificate, and then with that we are done. Now you too, you now go ahead and then you now be propagating it. You teach people how to do the video. You do it for people and earn money if that is what you want, and then you can make use of it for, just make sure you make use of it for good things. Don't go and abuse it. So may Allah assist each and every one of us. So we'll start the class today, and then currently in the class we have 800 members, which I'm expecting like 50 people if they show seriousness, and then those people will be entitled to certificate, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.